Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA ignition replacement dash bezel kit that fits the 1994 to 1997 Ford F-250 and F-350 trucks. Now, if you look at this trim piece here, you're going to see it looks identical to your factory piece, and that's because it pretty much is identical. So let's go ahead and flip this over. You'll see that there's clips located here. You're going to remove your factory dash panel, install this in its place. So you're going to notice that all of your indicator lights and controls will snap directly into here. So you're going to want to remove those from the factory panel. It does include new AC vents, so you don't have to transfer those over. All the associated trim's going to transfer over, and it's cut out. Obviously, your factory instrument cluster will remain. You'll notice the indicator lights here for turn signal, theft, airbag, low range 4x4, and other turn signal. And if you flip over here, you'll see that these actually have a rubber seal here, just like factory. So when you push it up against the dash, the light flows through there. If you have any questions about this dash panel, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help.